We are back. She's gonna jump in. She's getting ready. Oh my god! Wow! Fireworks tonight. Gonna be awesome. This is gonna be so much fun. So right now, it is just us two in the pool tonight, and we're gonna get out in a little because it's 7:30. We'll be getting out in a little while, at least before it gets dark, or probably at like 8:10, 8:30, kind of before it gets dark. And we're gonna do fireworks tonight. It's gonna be so exciting. So I'm gonna end this video in a little bit. So I'm gonna tell her to do something. She's gonna do a handstand. She wanted to. Oh, she messed up. Oh god, no. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Bye guys.